welcome.
Thank you. Please, is Madam around? She's actually expecting me.
Sit down now.
Thank you.
Hello.
Good day, ma'am.
You must be the new driver.
Yes, I am.
All right.
Good day.
Yeah, hello. My sister called the estate chairman who recommended you to us.
Okay, ma'am.
So for how long have you been driving?
I've been driving for 8 years, ma'am. It's all in here.
So, I mean, why would you choose to be an ordinary driver, such a cute, promising young man? I mean, from your curriculum vitae, it shows you have BSc in business management.
The jobs aren't exactly coming right now, so I just had to make do with what I can do for now, which is driving. But I'm still submitting my resume to other companies and firms, yeah.
I see. I like your zeal. Believe me, trying to succeed in life. I like it.
Thank you.
Well, you have the job.
I do. Thank you very much. Thank you. I really appreciate this. I don't know how to
You're welcome. You're welcome. It's nothing.
One more thing. You'll be staying at the boys' quarter. Hope you're informed. No visitor is entertained without your boss' permission.
Yes, I was, and you have absolutely nothing to worry about.
All right, enough of the questions. It's all right. You can start up immediately.
Okay. I didn't know luck would shine on me today, so I didn't really come prepared. If you don't mind, I'd like to go grab my things and start up.
It's all right, so I'll be expecting you immediately.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, sis, we here. Okay, let's go, baby girl. Wow. Hey.
My goodness, my goodness. My goodness. Jeez. Unbelievable. My goodness. Wow. What am I seeing? Hold on. Hi. That's it. Perfect. Girl, you are too good. Come on. This is exactly what I wanted. That's what you have given to me. I am. Come in.
Oh, I'm glad you like it.
I love it.
It's really nice. The engineer deserves some accolades.
I tell you. Wow. Now I cannot wait to see what the interior looks like. Come on, let's go in. Wow. Right.
Sis, thank you very much for bringing them. I'm happy. So, young man, what's your name?
Okay, thank you very much for the opportunity. My name is Adam. Adam for short.
Adam. You're welcome. And you, young lady, what's your name?
My name na Eve Ojuku.
I beg your pardon?
Eve Ojuku.
Sis? Adam? Eve? Sis? You never told me you're bringing Adam and Eve from the Garden of Eden. Now, what's a sis?
Miracle, not the tire Jesus.
They're funny.
Very funny.
All right, so how many years experience have you had in this, your profession?
Oh yes, ma'am. Thank you for the second time. Madam, I don't get like 10 years experience. As I stand like this, I get superpower. I feel not even touch gate. Gate go move.
10 good years?
Can say, oh, you gate, flee. And gate go flee.
All right. How about you, Eve?
You say how many years? How many years?
45 years.
Jesus! And you're all able, babe.
Now, wetin be that? Why you dey shout now? When they ask you now, when you answer your own, I put mouth for you.
You finish the whole of your life and your family life inside the healthcare work.
Because my mama do the work. Then my grandmama come still do am. Before my mama come down, then me I come dey do the work now.
It's a family problem. It's a family sickness.
Sis, believe me, I love them already. You have the job.
Thank
you.
At least they'll make me laugh.
God bless you. God bless you, man.
Thank you, ma.
Yes, man.
Adam and Eve.
Yes.
Like I said before, my sister is a quiet person. She loves a peace. Nobody should trouble her in this house. Huh?
You no get issue for this one. You see, for this piece something, I go even make her to rest in peace. Like you go rest, like say you go sleep and you no gonna get issue. Like
Rest in peace na person wey don die.
oh,
Get sense.
I go make you no go rest in peace. I don't lie. Come here. Come.
Now waiting.
See,
But you dey drag me like that.
You get the kind lie where we say if person lie for
wetin
this
go
earth,
happen?
if you die, hellfire go reject you, heaven go reject you. Which one be say you don't do house girl work for 25 years?
I beg, shut up.
The lie no even heavy you for
Why
mouth.
you go heavy me for mouth? No, why the thing go heavy me for mouth?
Yeah?
No be me and you dey wey we don't agree say we no go make these people know say we sabi each other. No be wetin we talk. You don't reach there now. You don't waiting. Na true. Wetin make them pursue us where they no be collect us because say some people know they like me. Be say you know person, this person know this person. You know go come dey for the same person as come dey work.
Hey, I hope so I never do mistake.
Wait, if you like do mistake, now I don't know whether na this your beer wey you collect. Now don't block your ear, block your eye, block even your sense. Where you say you know they remember what you talk.
I don't know say I don't know why my mouth go dey talk this kind of thing. I've been told say I know you for there. Mama. Mama.
Have ears.
Ma. Good afternoon, ma.
So both of you know each other.
Me? I don't know this, you know.
Who wetin be thing?
You, I know you.
I know you.
Oh.
I know be thing, no, na person I be.
I don't know this person, no. Now small pikin she be to me. You understand?
I don't understand. Who be small pikin?
I know carry you. I know carry you when they carry you.
No, they talk that thing again. No, they talk that thing again.
I carry am. I even they see baby shout turu baby shout turu
I blame you.
baby shout turu.
It's okay. I actually like it. I like it. I mean, you vibe well, you work together. It's fine. But hope there are no strings attached.
Yeah. Hey, me string for waiting for this one. Yeah. Nothing concern me and this one. I like my. I dey like him, papa. Now my
Which
like
person,
daughter.
Papa?
I know they like.
No, because say they see me wear uniform. If I dey do sugar daddy, na me and you no go fit dey the same level. No, they talk that nonsense.
Forget what you they see me like this.
What
If I appear for bagging,
Which bag?
if you see me for bagging,
We dey talk of people wey dey wear senator, they talk of bag.
if you see me bagging,
Abeg, you carry all these ones comot. We dey do as own tobo.
I don't know this one. Na my small pikin where they carry.
No, they talk that thing again. You know they hear something.
I don't feel like I'm.
It's fine. It's fine. I'm Ella.
Thank you, ma. But if you call me Adam, just call her Eve.
Nice meeting you both. Adam and Eve.
Yes, well, no, the one for the Garden of Eden. Yes, ma. Hello.
Spoil the flower and leave her. Thank you, ma.
If this is nice.
Thank you, ma.
Super nice.
I like it.
I love it.
Thank you. Thank you, small madam.
Excuse me. What did you say?
I say thank you, small madam.
I am Ella, not small madam. My auntie is your madam.
Okay. Thank you.
You really raised her well.
Thank you, sis.
She's good.
Thank you.
Ella is good.
Thank you, auntie.
Thank you.
That reminds me. The car dealer guy called that he's bringing the car tomorrow.
Wow. That means you'll be needing a driver.
A driver, yeah. From you. Who do I know here?
Of course, yeah. Okay. I'll get a friend to bring us one.
All right then. Very good person.
Yeah.
Not a kidnapper.
At all. Please enjoy your meal.
Thank you, sweetheart.
You know, this is what we enjoy in Nigeria.
I know.
Good food.
If this your soup sweet, I dey tell you, the soup sweet. Well. You go fit make better wife material, but if not be for one thing, I for don't find what thing I go do for your head.
Which one be the one thing?
And just because I say, you know get bearing. They like waka from one man to another, from one oga to another.
Adam, what did they worry you? Me, they waka from one man to another. For where you see that one?
Yeah, how many places you don't work? You work for Abuja, they sack you. You work for this one, they sack you. All these places where you work now. One time you say, oga, or they are picking, no, they.
Now, what person they did always accuse person.
Forget it.
Now, too much food do I give you?
Yeah.
I did this, I give you the portion where they give gate men. If you no get strength, they talk or they go you don't drink.
Thank you. Now just because of say I don't want to make a contact sickness.
Who even marry person like see you now? Ordinary gate man.
I for don't marry you.
If I leave Oga them and Oga picking them, I go follow. Now you go come they follow.
I don't want to go there for junction. Make the things I put hand for pocket. They don't say Oko junction they catch fire. Well.
Welcome.
Thank you. Please, is madam around? She's actually expecting me.
Sit down now.
Thank you.
Hello.
Good day, ma'am.
You must be the new driver.
Yes, I am.
All right.
Good day.
Yeah, hello. My sister called the estate chairman who recommended you to us.
Okay, ma'am.
So for how long have you been driving?
I've been driving for 8 years, ma'am. It's all in here.
So,
why would you choose to be an ordinary driver, such a cute, promising young man? From your curriculum vitae, it shows you have BSc in business management.
the jobs aren't exactly coming right now, so I just had to make do with what I can do for now, which is driving. But I'm still submitting my resume to other companies and firms, yeah.
I see. I like your zeal. Believe me, trying to succeed in life. I like it.
Thank you.
Well, you have the job.
I do. Thank you very much. Thank you. I really appreciate this. I don't know how to
You're welcome. You're welcome. It's nothing.
One more thing. You'll be staying at the boys' quarter. Hope you're informed. No visitor is entertained without your boss' permission.
Yes, I was, and you have absolutely nothing to worry about.
All right, enough of the questions. It's all right. You can start up immediately.
Okay. I didn't know luck would shine on me today, so I didn't really come prepared. If you don't mind, I'd like to go grab my things and start up.
It's all right, so I'll be expecting you immediately.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey. Go dey waka dey proud like say na you. If they leave the gate for you, go fit open am. Who be that? Who be that one?
Now you dey ask.
Now you are the ask. No be all of una dey inside.
No be you dey outside there when you open door enter. You come dey ask me.
Which can't be this one?
Which one be say which kind? Now so you go there like this. One day you go open this door. Kidnapper go come carry all of us.
Shut
You dey
up.
ask
Shut
me.
up. You don't dey talk nonsense now.
Abeg.
If this is way talk now. If you eventually talk and when madam go hear am, na problem for me.
They sack you now.
Everything you go dey talk. What if you should be open door?
No be you who open the door. If the man disappear, enter the house.
Oh yeah, who dey with am for inside? No be una dey inside.
Who first open? Don't be from here in from enter inside.
Oh
before
God,
you
who?
reach you. I beg you. Come out.
You start begging.
I don't like him.
Come on, Ella. That young man seems fit for the job. Let him have it.
Why do you trust people easily? I don't like him.
Why, Ella? I mean, he's harmless. He's just looking for a job, and he's got one today.
I'm just saying you should be very careful. I don't know.
I will, my little soldier.
Cutie.
Sis, oh dear.
Oh my God. Hey. Oh, my angel. I'll miss you too. Auntie Emilia is here. She'll take care of you. And I'll be visiting soon.
So, sweetheart, once the warehouse is ready, just let me know, okay? So that I can tell them to offload my goods.
Of course, I'll do that. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Who is at the gate? You'll be there and they'll be knocking.
Hi.
Wait.
Dominic. You're welcome, Dominic.
Yes, I'm here to assume my office.
Ah, super nice. Sis, in that case, let Dominic drop you off then.
Oh, no. That won't be needed. I'm stopping by at a friend's place.
Okay.
It's all right. I drove myself here. I'm good.
Oops. I forgot completely. Sorry.
Oh, my angel.
Eve,
Bye.
take Dominic to his quarter. All right? Sis,
Yeah.
I love you.
Love you more.
What is he doing?
Hmm?
What is he doing?
In there for inside the room.
I don't trust this guy.
Madam, thank God though. Now the same thing self where you the suspect. Now me I the suspect.
Tell me, what are you suspecting?
Eh?
What are you suspecting?
Not to know. I know just like him.
Me too. He looks like a Yahoo boy. He looks like someone who is on a mission. His dressings, his look, everything.
Even with all those draw things. Now this same way you talk now, be that thing will be the suspect.
You just have to be careful. Keep your eyes on the ground. Be vigilant. Okay?
Okay, ma.
I don't know why my auntie trusts him so much. But just be vigilant.
Okay.
Is everything okay?
Everything they okay now. Sure, they asked me that you get any problem with it.
I was just wondering, I saw you going back and forth.
Now my work they do now. I no go work they shake, make everything they okay.
It's okay. I just asked.
Now they wait till they ask like say you won't begin teach me my work. I make the thing. I go need work check. Even you as today now they under my care. As somebody take care. Make sure say everybody they okay. No, come begin the talk like say get waiting.
Dominic.
Yeah?
Madam, they call you for inside.
They say madam they call you.
What they do?
So I don't know what to make this guy shoulder part just dey grow every day. For this small work we get, because they feel like say now they control everybody for the
Ordinary driver, he go
I don't even understand.
wear clothes, talking, do shirts, put style like say na bank work.
Where starch? You close they all stand attention for driver work what you can do.
They do like say na him be oga.
I don't know whether they think say maybe this motor now let them go dash am. That money.
Madam don dey call am. Madam go send am go market now.
You go even send am make you go buy meat or sometimes oil.
Go wear am like that enter inside market with all those women.
Go oil please. Madam, sell oil for me. Oil go just splash am.
You now, wetin you dey do?
I dey swim.
You no get work, amebo. Na wetin you sabi?
Ella?
Yes?
Oh. The movie is very interesting.
You called me.
Oh, yes. I would like you to get the car ready so you can take me to town. Let me just look around and see some places.
Okay, my lady.
All right.
My lady? Sorry, don't call her that. She's okay with Ma.
Of course, ma.
So why would you tell him that, Ella?
Auntie Amaro, I've told you that I don't trust him. I prefer he calls you madam or ma. Like the rest of the workers. And as a matter of fact, I'm going with you.
Oh. Ella. My very own Ella. All right. So you go get dressed, okay?
Okay.
Let's go out. You are indeed a little soldier.
You can say that again.
Ella, where are you? Please be fast. Do you want to shop everything? You want to close down their shop for them? Ella, please. Ouch! My leg! Oh! Ella! Driver! Ah! Ouch! Please.
Don't break her leg. Take it easy.
I'm sorry, ma.
Sorry.
Thank you, Ella.
You'll be fine. I'm sure by the time I'm done applying the ointment, you'll feel better.
Gosh.
Can you imagine? Why is he staring at her like that?
All right, thank you. That's enough. I'm okay.
It's okay. She said it's fine. It's okay. That's enough.
Madam, you go still wear your koi shoe. Sorry.
I said I'm okay. You can go now.
Of course. If you need anything, I'll be in my quarters.
She won't need anything. Even if she does, we're here.
All right, ma.
All right, thank you. Eve,
Ma,
can you get me some ice?
ice?
Ice.
Madam, which person ice?
Are you serious? Like, are you serious? Ice!
Madam, which ice?
Ice block!
Ice block. You for tell me block now, you tell me ice. Madam, sorry.
So funny.
Eve is an idiot.
Hey, good morning.
I'm not here. My name is Ella. Good morning.
Well, I'm sorry about that. I've been... Anyways, I'm here to see Madam. I want to know how she's faring.
She's fine.
Okay.
But I want to remind you something.
Okay.
Your work in this house is to drive her around and not her doctor. Okay?
Of course, I know that.
Fine.
I just wanted to know how she's doing, considering, that she sprained her ankle.
Like I said, she is perfectly okay.
Sure, of course. I'll be outside.
Better.
Ella?
Yes, sir.
I think you're being too harsh and unfriendly to this driver. Why?
Yes, I need to. Because you don't give them so much room to know everything about you.
But I feel he's just showing concern to his boss and nothing more.
This is not America. You don't trust everybody. Excuse me. Hello? Yeah, this is Ella. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, bye.
Now would I be like?
Let's go.
Oh.
The school's resuming next section.
Ah, that's nice. I'm happy for you, baby.
Thank you. Let me go finish my food.
Ella.
Yes, Auntie.
Naughty you.
Why can't I get this dirty thought off my head? Dominic, you're here to work, and this is your boss for crying out loud. How can you be having such feelings for her when she is older than you? Jeez, what is wrong with me, Seth?
You're not eating.
Oh, sweetheart, I'll eat. Enjoy your meal. Oh, no.
Hey, Ella, how are you?
Fine. Hope everything is okay.
Of course, yeah, sure. I just wanted to see your aunt, and find out if she has any other place to go before I return for tonight.
I don't understand. In her bedroom.
Oh, well, it's not like that. I was in the living room, all right, and I didn't see anyone, so I just decided to, come up.
Please, you are restricted from this side of the house. Except she calls you. And of course, I know she can't call you up here. So, go down. She's fast asleep. You can't see her now.
Sure. Adam, open the gate. I want to go out. Adam. Adam, open the gate. I need to go out. I need to go get fuel.
Make I just ask you. Now, who they give you liver, sir? But answer me. Who they give you liver? Okay, Adam, open the gate. I want to go and get fear. Fear, no, they catch you. If anybody open this gate now, consider the way they talk to me now. They go think say, okay, and I get the compound. Or I employ Adam for inside this place. They spread, they talk. What did they spread you?
I beg your pardon. Where's this coming from?
Okay, no beg any pardon. The pardon, no the vex. You know they beg them. What did you? It is not to spread perfume for body. Can't go barb hair. Can't draw nonsense. So I don't know for body. Now make you can't they talk to me anyhow. Okay, the driver you be. Ordinary driver now you be. No, they can't because you say they drive madam now. You don't they feel like say you're related to a rich person. My brother, me and you did the same train. Now the same train they carry us.
Adam, you're saying all these things because I asked you to open the gate for me?
You asked me before. If you ask me, I go talk. You command me, make an open gate for you. Imagine. You didn't command me, Adam. Go and open the gate. I want to go and buy fear.
I did not command you. I only asked you to open the gate. What are you saying?
Yeah? No.
Fine. I'm sorry, all right? Please open the gate. I need to go get fuel.
Now you come. At least try to get coffee. Please. Napoala. This is not to rub top gel, begin the affair. I don't know what you make you think say you better pass me. Because you rub top gel, you feel like waiting and no. Your body they tell you say you better pass me. What's going to be the difference between person where they do gate and person where they do this thing? But I no come back quick. I may hold this gate. If you don't come back quick, I no open for you. I open the gate. I want to buy fear. I don't blame you.
What are you doing with my phone, Ella?
I'm sorry. I wanted to connect the hotspot.
Good job.
Auntie, sorry for invading your privacy, but can I ask you a question?
Go on.
But what is this thing? Like, who are they? What are they doing there?
Which people?
I'm seeing, like, dating sites.
Oh, just shut up. What do you know? Come on, you're too young for this.
Okay. Sorry.
Go with Joella, please.
see this guy. You see this guy? This guy, they vex me. Every time you go, they carry shoulder up as if they ain't get this place. You go, waka come here, waka come here. Why?
It is say if you do all those things, say, madam go increase in salary.
If madam increase this guy's salary, make her bend. Now, like this, I go to waka.
Why you?
Now, I go to waka. Say, madam, look this guy for face. He say, you make you increase his salary. I go bend.
Why no go increase am?
Why you go increase them? No, what did the guy sabi now?
Wetin you sabi? You know say dem call you Adam. Adam for Garden of Eden. Now so you dey one place. If you go round, you still come back to your points. Nothing. But the boy now, he go carry madam, then go different places. Okay. Then go come back.
Now you know she say your sense no complete
increase
now.
Am, now good.
Your sense now no complete now. Person where they waka run, they look where things they happen. Whether thief don't enter house. Then person where they come out outside, no know what they happen for her. Who they supposed to respect?
No,
answer me. Who they supposed to respect?
Which thief?
No, check am. No be me the guy now.
Who the guy?
Say I open this gate like this, wham, make people come kidnap all of them and come out for here. Do you understand?
Now you they go first kidnap. Now see tree. Now there they go tie you first before they reach us. Which before they reach us, if we don't from backyard self go. Then you go there.
But if who you they support among me and this boy?
Support for waiting.
Who you they support? Because the way they talk like this, I don't even understand.
You get money when I want dash me, I go find one. I belong to everybody. I belong to nobody. I just do on my own. I know they support anybody. Ha.
Now so, crazy with this.
Why they support?
I crazy with this. No be saying anything. No be saying because they follow you they talk. Normally, I know supposed to follow you they talk. I know supposed to follow you they talk here. I tell
Adam.
You. There's no how if you take
Adam.
Eh?
Come. You go come now. Jobless man.
Any gist day.
Yes, you don't come.
Yes, because
you not get work. Now because you not get work.
So that what you call me?
Yes, now. Because I know say you go come.
I just try to be romantic because of say I don't need to stress women.
Now who are you and who they do?
Yes. You say you call me, I come. No me say me and you are the same level.
You don't get any
we not the same level, okay?
If you get anything where they do, you for don't go they do the thing. I see that now. Woman go carry say this one is my husband. That's what we not go see you. If you not come do it for, you come be face me, I face you. Ha! I'm a boy. Every day you come, they tell your wife say your husband talk say, na me talk say. You can go cook.
Oh.
Hello.
Wow.
Hi.
My goodness. You look amazingly beautiful.
Really? Thank you.
Damn, like your pictures don't even tell how beautiful you look.
Quit flattering me. Come on. And you are looking super cute.
But
Believe me.
now see you flattering me now. Come and sit down.
Thank you very much.
Ooh.
Wow, I'm glad.
Yeah, it's so nice seeing you. Yeah.
Same here.
I was beginning to,
Oh, I'm so sorry. I came
it's
late.
okay. It's fine. It's fine. What would you like to drink?
Well, anything soft for now.
Soft?
Yes, please.
All right. Waiter! Barman!
I would like to take you to my house.
Oh, really?
Of course.
Okay. What's your service? That's fine.
You will like it there.
All right. Right behind you.
I know.
Here we are, my lady.
Yes, darling.
Hey. All right, so this is where you stay?
Oh, well.
This is beautiful.
Mana, welcome home.
Just like you.
Hello.
Really?
Yeah, it is.
How's your baby?
Afa. So you dey carry face like this, wetin happen?
Oh, Ella. How are you?
Fine.
Meet my friend Ella. His name is Hector. Hector, this is Ella.
Oh, how are you?
Fine.
That's good.
Just make yourself comfortable,
All right, baby.
okay?
Thank you.
Eve, ask him what he wants.
Baby, you don't need to bother, okay? I am fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. All right.
All right, baby, I'm glad you're here.
Auntie,
Yes.
1 minute, please.
Excuse me. Ella. Ella.
Auntie.
Yes. And what is it?
I don't like him.
And why is that?
He looks way younger. He looks like a gold digger. And I don't see true love on his face.
Hey, Ella. What do you mean by that? Now, what's your definition of true love? And who even taught you that?
Forget about that. You know, we learn every day. And I told you I want to be a psychologist. I scrutinized him properly, and I can tell you that he's fake. He's not real.
Ella. Hey. I love that man. The man you see out there. Ella, listen to me. That is my dream man. In fact, that young man, that is my dream come true. I like him. He's very cute. He's smart, sexy. Ella, please. I know you are protecting my interest. That I know. But hey, relax. I want to settle down with this man. I have found true love. So you should be happy for me. Please, Ella.
If you insist.
I insist, Ella. Okay? Hey. Ella. All right. Now what do I do? Ella, hold on. Ella?
Why did they push clothes?
I am hot. I need some air. Yeah.
You dey hot. You need air.
Yes.
For a place where AC dey like this, where cold they catch.
You know,
Tension. Tension.
No. I just stepped in, you know, so probably with time it will, you know.
Tension they catch you. Okay.
No, really.
Wait, this one where your eye they go like this. Make nothing loss. Oh.
You don't have to say that. I am just admiring the place.
Ah.
Yes.
Make you see the one where you go like, Abby.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, when nothing lost for the house, so this one now na 3D. Every other thing, you know as it be. When nothing lost. So if you be your mama, you do baby. It's alright.
What's wrong with her?
Camera right there for the house, so it's different.
Hi, baby.
Oh, baby, you're here.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Now look at the way you are. You're not taking anything.
No, nothing. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
I would
So,
like you to take something.
something?
Yeah. Maybe French fries, anything. Wine, salad, anything.
Okay, in that case, let's do catfish pepper soup.
Catfish, pepper soup. I love it.
You do that?
Of course.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right then, baby.
Yeah.
Who be that guy?
My brother.
We madam carry am.
He be like say, madam, na sugar mommy she dey do.
Sugar wetin?
Sugar mommy.
I no believe you.
You no believe it?
Sugar how?
I dey tell you something what I see with my kuro eyes. They tell me say how. See, the boy just sit down. Now so madam carry her put on top of him lap. Then they do lovey. Then they even kiss.
Kiss? Is that what it? Madam kiss this small boy.
Person wey even feel be her pikin.
I dey tell you. Now this world people just say boys are not smiling at all. Eh? Small pikin like this.
Eve!
Tell them so you no see me.
Must you push everything when you're walking? Anyway, call Dominic for me. Sweetheart.
Yeah.
Thank you. I love it.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, baby.
Mm-hmm. Anything for you, you know.
I know. I know.
Yeah.
You said for me.
Yes, Dominic. What is wrong with Eve? Anyway, my friend wants catfish pepper soup, so I would like you to get us one.
Yeah.
Catfish pepper soup. Okay.
Must be spicy. Then have some chops of yam in it. Is that clear?
Dominic. Oh, baby.
It was actually nice meeting you, I must say.
Ah, wow.
Snake.
Adam, if don't show you something, forget on feeling.
Adam, open the
I
gates!
don't understand.
This guy now, guy. Will keep us.
Wetin dey vex am? Ha! Make you take am suffer, dey drive the motor. If you spoil am now, you no get money to buy you. Make you no jam person, no. Why you dey drive the motor like that?
Take am easy now. Ha! What's it made this or got the carry face like?
I don't know.
Ha! Now wow. What's in the they do inside?
Now who you dey ask?
Now you now CCTV.
No be me and you sit down for here. Where you dey ask me?
Ha! This madam matter.
Mm.
It shocked me.
My brother.
Woman we don't live outside.
Mm.
We supposed to get brain pass who live here. Now come somebody small picking for here, now come they use them.
So they tell you say because say person dey for abroad, then they get sense.
You know, see their body they white. Their brain supposed they
you
white.
don't know say as that their weather dey like that, they make them, they know they get sense. If you dey for here now, one sun don't hit you, even if the brain e don dey like oil, e go scatter, you go get sense by force. You no know?
I can't dey say as their skin dey white.
Na so their brain dey
Their brain
white.
suppose dey white. Come, you know. Okay, no wonder. So madam no get sense.
I no talk o.
Be self no talk. Now, according to what you tell me.
No, who tell you?
Yeah, come in. Hey.
Good evening, Ma.
Good evening, Dominic. Sorry for disturbing your sleep.
Oh, it's okay.
Please, I started feeling pain around my ankle. So I don't know if you can help massage it for me.
Sure, of course. Anything for you, Ma.
Thank you very much.
Your ankle.
Yes. You can just fold, yeah. I don't know why it's paining me so much.
I guess there's been so much pressure.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Thank you. That's enough. Thank you very much.
Anytime. Ma. Oh. Would that be all?
Yes, that'll be all for now. Thank you.
Okay, I'll retire.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that reminds me. I want to confirm if you're going anywhere tomorrow because I need to take the car for servicing.
Yeah. I would like to go see my fiance tomorrow. So maybe when you drop me, you'll go fix the car. Hey, Hector, darling. Sure. Yes, baby. Of course. Yeah, I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Yeah. Hey. Come here.
Oh, you want some sugar?
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Ah.
That was good.
Very good. I enjoyed it.
Oh my God, if I tell you so I didn't, I'll lie, I didn't lie you. Work? I wish it was work. If it was work, would I be complaining? This is more like emotional stress. Call it emotional torture. Look, I know this might sound crazy, but I think, in fact, I know I am falling in love with my boss. That's the point. She doesn't even know. She doesn't even see me. And her niece is not even helping matters. No one just sees me as a common driver. Come on, I'm supposed to be more than that. What? Who's talking about? Look, age is just a number, okay? That was not even my problem. My only problem is I don't want to die of jealousy, man. Especially when I see her with that Hector of a guy. Can I call you back? Someone's at the door. Okay, get out. Bye-bye.
Hi.
Now wait.
He touched me.
My auntie has fallen so deep for this guy.
Yes.
I see him as an opportunist. He's not real.
No, I know say all this kind of thing. You go now, you go take they put your mouth. But as I see that boy, I know say him head, he know they grand. Cha. But wetin I go talk, now make I no go talk the one we go put.
All this one when they talk, na no say this boy now so we dey they talk go up, talk come down. The boy go sell this house. You know say na cash out. This boy come to cash out. The boy just come. They look madam eyeball to eyeball. Say madam, you're a maga. I will chop you. You go chop him.
Cash out.
You don't know. For that guy, madam na maga, na mugu, na maga they call him maga. Yes. That's what madam just say because of love, he's blind. Madam not they blind. He don't know what
He's after my auntie's money. I know it. But I will never allow it.
Wetin you want do? Eh? No verse. But wetin you fit do? Na love oh. As he love and so, he no get anything where you want do am. That boy and madam why they see so? Yes. Me, even that day, as I just see that boy, I know say this boy no be better one. But make I go talk. As if say I not like this my job. I still like my job oh.
God,
I know anybody pursue me.
What way if he preach to? Person way fall in love.
As
make he hear something.
Sense.
Sense
You
no
know
dey
they
the
get
head
sense,
again.
so you go they look the sense like this.
You look at like nothing.
No fit do anything.
But what we go do now? That be the question. Now what we go do to rescue madam? Because if you no rescue madam now, the carry river where madam go swim now, we no go fit catch am for the other side.
Who be the way?
Now me and you, now what they think and what we go do because.
Even like say this job where they do, you know like am.
I think I have a plan.
Wetin be the plan? Ma!
Oh. So baby, I can't wait to see you again soon.
I'm here. Come, Dominic, and drop him off. Can you open the door, Dominic?
See you soon, okay? All right, darling. Miss you.
Miss you more.
Uh-huh. Bro, get in the car.
I'll close the door for you,
All right, baby. Okay. All right, baby.
Oh no, my madam will come and say, now come they find this game.
Eve!
Ma?
Eve?
Ma?
Eve, where is Ella? I've been calling her, she's not answering. Even in her room, she's not there.
Ah, madam, she be there inside her room. Oh.
No, she's not there.
Even Oga Dominic don't come back. Oh. Eh? Okay, madam, she be tell me say she won't go see her school friend.
How? I mean, how? How can she just leave the house without telling me?
I don't know. And she come out before that brother will come house. Come go.
All right, no problem. I'll keep trying her line.
Okay. This speaking will put us for trouble. Hey? Hey. Ma?
You sure say this problem no? You sure say this no go cast? I don't even know why we even send that girl out in the first place.
Reduce your voice now. Your problem is you know they even do like man. You too they fear.
Why no go fear?
Eh? See how they shake.
I don't even understand what you hear from her. See what they talk. And then this girl say we'll send some more pikin, say we'll make it go outside, say he won't go investigate. If the police, who she know? Okay, where should they go now? What if as she come out now, she no come back? And something happened to her. Say they don't kidnap or something, just jam her.
Hey.
Oh yeah now.
True. You know, say I know reason I'm like that though. Now I can't they think am. But you get feeling say something go do am.
I be God. I dey see tomorrow. I want to know whether something go happen. I just dey talk this thing. If anything happen to this girl now my job they are taken now. How will we even do this thing in the first place?
But we don't do am now. We never do am. They say why we go do am. We don't do am.
You don't do am.
We don't do am now. But I make you call am now.
Call who?
Call Ella.
I get her phone number. I get phone number. What did they talk about? Call for you. That's what go there, just put ourselves for trouble. Well, I don't even know why I even put myself for this kind of plan before. Say someone picking go come out outside. They go say they go do investigation.
But she don't come out now.
Come on, go here. Come on, go.
If
You know, say
you go tell them where you come out go.
Not be for us to kneel down and pray make this girl come back.
Show me what's going on now. How you go want to put person for trouble like this? Where you go since now? Fear can't they catch us?
Well, relax. Did my auntie call me?
Why you not go call you since? Now she don't they look for you, they call you. They ask us.
I think I need to. Hi, Auntie.
Ella, you went out without even telling me. Why?
Yeah, I'm so sorry. You were so busy inside, so I didn't want to disturb you. I went to see my friend.
And you couldn't even answer your calls.
Oh. Oh my God, I'm so sorry, Auntie. My phone is on silent.
Now, don't you ever try it again. Don't go out without telling me, all right?
I promise.
You gotta be careful. Now, come up. Eve.
Ma?
I need a glass of juice and a very chilled one.
Okay, ma.
What? Ha! Good, ha! Ha! I am finished. Good, my life is ruined. My life is fucking ruined. What? Go.
Stop it, baby. Stop it. Now, what's the matter?
Babe, my blockchain, my crypto wallet, I just got hacked. Huh? I just got a debit alert. All my money gone.
My goodness. Now, how did it happen?
I have no idea. I don't know how this thing happened. Huh? All my money gone, my life savings, 50 million naira gone just like that. Hi!
My goodness.
I'm doomed. God, I'm doomed. God. Why would you let this happen to me? God!
Hey, you listen to me. Hey, I need you to calm down. You have to pull yourself together. It's nothing. All right? Hey, you listen to me. Can you look at me, sweetheart? Now we'll get you back to your feet again. Is that okay?
Back to my feet?
Mm-hmm.
How do you mean? What are you trying to say?
She's not trying to say anything. You go, digger.
Ella. Now what is it, Ella? Why did you say that?
This is the meaning.
Oh boy, now better fish you catch you. I swear. As I see this woman picture, this woman, okay, you dey cash out.
You know, say the woman just come from Yankee. She never even noticed that for town. So as it be now, I have her locked up. Bro, this woman dey craze for my matter. She dey craze for she's held over heel in love with me, guy. You know get?
I trust you.
I dey tell you.
Okay, I trust you. I don't say you know the joke. When it comes to that matter, you know the joke. Me, I don't bomb tire. Since when you come out, in fact, remember I go carry bomb go America, US. Even when they fight for Ukraine, I go they bomb them. I know they see anybody.
Waiting be your time. Waiting be time for Yankee. Now afternoon you tell you. Now afternoon your mate tell the bomb. If no, you go there here, you go swallow like 7 wraps of fufu. For night, you go to sleep, they snow, they disturb everybody.
Guy, now the one where you chop, now you carry you. If I die now, all this bombing go there.
Now the one where you go to chop, now you go still the chop, they go
no,
now.
They do all like that. Okay? I don't want joke, I beg you. As you collect this money, they give me my share.
Omo, you never even know that though. I never even succeed for money. Don't define share. Eh? As it be now, just to look for FMT while we throw this woman. Make I fit at least for this first payment, we should drop like 20 meter.
20 million?
Who are they wear now? If you see her crib. If you see her crib.
I see her now.
Guy, enter crib. Body the hot. Hey, if you see her crib.
My God, when I go catch this kind of people?
GRA actually still.
GRA? For this our time?
If you see her crib.
After that 20 million, you go be that woman maybe 15M.
Everything are good everywhere for her house, bro. So make I just give her 20.
My own be say I don't try to stay here to collect the money. If na 5 million, you give me, make I go.
I go change your life. I go solve your life. You don't want bomb again. You want start business?
No, I don't want
bomb
business. I got business with my work.
Now what is this? Hey! Now I need you to leave my house this minute, else I'll call the cops on you. I'm not kidding. Now get out.
It hasn't gotten to that.
Get out!
I can explain.
Guess you're not dead.
Hold this. You want me to kick your ass off?
Babe,
Is that what you want?
I can actually explain.
Eve!
Get out, you.
Eve!
Get out. Wizard. You
I
wizard.
need you to go upstairs now. Pack all his rags.
Okay.
Throw them away like a piece of trash that he is.
Babe,
Get out! Now out!
Please, I can explain.
Get out!
I can explain.
Out!
Babe, I can explain.
Now what is wrong with you? Now get the hell out! Get out! Get out, you gold digger! Now what is this? What is this? Now get out!
Babe, I can explain.
I said leave my house this minute. I'm not coming down. Now you get the hell out. I said get out. I said get out.
Please.
Now, get out! Out!
Don't forget the good times, please.
Hello. Madam, I don't throw away everything. Don't throw away.
What is all this?
People.
No. Crying. Look at me.
And don't cash out. Cash out. Ma?
Okay, it's fine. You want anything?
No.
It's fine.
Ella.
Auntie.
Come, Ella. You know I should have listened to you.
Sorry.
Thank you.
I believe you'll find a better person. My mom is on the phone. She wants to speak with you.
Sis. Hello, sis.
I've been trying to reach you since yesterday, but Ella told me what happened. I'm so sorry.
Thank you very much. I'm glad. Honestly, I thank God for Ella, because if she didn't do what she did, I would have been duped by that young man.
Anyway, I'm glad he's out of your life. I hope you feel better.
I hope so too. So, why were you calling that yesterday, sis?
Sis, I don't know if it's a good time to talk about this.
Go on, sis. Let me hear it.
Anyway, I just want to inform you about the construction of the warehouse and office. They are completed. If you would like to see and give an approval for the painting and furniture.
Oh, that's a good news. It's a perfect time to talk about it. I have been looking for something that will occupy my mind.
Do let me know your availability on when you want to come and inspect.
Thank you so much, sis. Thank you. Bye. Thank you, Ella.
You're welcome.
Good morning, ma. I heard what happened. I'm really sorry about everything.
Thank you, Dominic.
At least, the good thing is he didn't get anything.
It's okay, I'll be fine.
Do you need anything?
I don't... All right. I don't need anything. If I need something, I will let you know. I'm not going out today.
I'll be downstairs.
It hurts so bad when you give your all to love, but you're not getting it back. It feels so sad when you stretch your arms to love, but it seems so far away. In a world of hate, in a world of pain, I can still hear love whisper. So don't give up on love. Don't give up on love. So don't give up on love. Just like a mirage, it looks so real, but stepping close, it's all gone. Every night, all I dream is just a spark of love, so I can feel good. But in a world of hate, in a world of pain, I can still hear love whisper. So don't give up on love. Ooh, don't give up on love, yeah. Don't give up on love. Love come calling, put your answer, baby. So don't give up on love. Sweet, sweet love. Don't give up on love. Love is sweet. So don't give up on love.
Hi. Hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
You are so cute.
And you are so beautiful.
Really? Ah, thank
Oh,
you.
yeah.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. Huh?
Thank you. So I would like to have your WhatsApp number.
All right. I will try that right away.
All right, then we'll take it up from there.
Okay. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Bye, sweetheart.
Bye.
Oops.
Oh.
Hello?
Auntie, are you going out?
Yes. I'll be back shortly, okay?
Can I go with you?
Ella, I'm just going to see a friend quickly. Like I said earlier, I'll be back before you know it. I'm coming, Ella.
I think my auntie is seeing a new guy.
Now wait, where you they go?
Where madam go now?
Where you they go? No be that place you supposed to go.
This one where madam come out, you know talk to anybody, you know tell you where they go. You get what she dey talk. What you they talk?
I'm having a feeling. My auntie is seeing a new person. From that stupid dating site.
That one, you know, if it be true now. Eh? Even though say na small pikin, after waiting that Azonto boy do, madam, how you go take get mind again? Say he dey follow another man.
I swear down.
Eh?
Okay, but
You
how you
know
think?
now.
What make you dey feel like this?
I'm not really sure, but I just need some time to confirm first. Then after that, I would like us to put heads together and come up with a plan to stop him.
Put your heads together.
Abomination.
See, Adam head now. They like 3 people own already. Where my own one can enter.
Ha, but even if, not if you make her head enter my own head, because I don't agree. This her head,
You
not
should
in
cut off your head.
I mean,
Okay, Let us collaborate.
Go waiting. Tell will go waiting.
You know what? It's fine. It's okay. Forget it.
Are you cause the same now? You don't know what be to break cola. Ordinary to break cola, pray. You know, he say make we break cola, pray. Make mother head come together.
If you talk am now, the way we go take do every time na so be big English. I tell am say I go school.
Why you no go school one?
I beg they go. I'm a born man. See your place, see where you run, come. Food for which person cook for you?
It hurts so bad when you give your all to love, but you're not getting it back. It feels so sad when you stretch your arms to love, but it seems so far away. In a world of hate, in a world of pain, I can still hear love whisper. So don't give up on love.
Hi. Good evening.
Good evening. To what do I owe this visit?
Nothing. I just want to confirm my curiosity.
Curiosity. Okay.
I need you to answer this question. Is my auntie seeing someone? Like, is she dating someone?
Well, the last time I checked, my only job here is to be a driver.
Really?
Yeah.
Isn't it obvious you have more than one job?
Okay. Fill me in. What is it?
To stick around getting jealous.
Excuse me.
You won't be excused till you answer my question. So, is my auntie seeing someone?
Well, yes, she is. Are you happy now? She can't even say thank you. Am I that obvious?
Hello? What are you watching? I'm expecting a visitor very soon. He'll be coming soon. You know, I've been meaning to tell you about...
Jerry? Or whatever his name is.
What? How? How did you know about him?
Forget about how I got to know about him.
What?
Auntie, why are you bent on dating young guys? Not just young guys, the ones that are not responsible, the ones that you meet on dating sites. Why? Do you know that some of them might be thieves, liars, kidnappers, anything, drug dealers? Just come to think of it. What if...
Hey! Now what is all this? What's that? What gave you the right to talk about my relationship? What?
I'm just trying to help.
Help what? Now you better channel this, your big energy of helping, to your education. You are too young, girl. I don't know how you're going to do about it, but hey, he'll be here soon. And I would like you to be polite, be friendly, all right? He's going to be spending some days here with us. That must be him. Eve? Eve! I'll go get it myself. Oh, welcome, sweetheart. Come in.
Beautiful place.
Cherry, please make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
So, this is Ella, my niece, and Ella, my fiance, Cherry.
Hi, Ella.
Hi.
Good to meet you.
You too.
Cherry, what can I offer you, sweetheart?
Darling, I think water should be okay. I'm filled up already. I ate before coming out.
Ah, all right. Eve! Eve! Eve!
Ma?
Now, girl, I've been calling you for ages.
Madam, I'll be there for backyard, they wash clothes.
Please, that's my fiance. Get him a glass of chilled water.
Okay.
So, how are you?
I'm fine. I must confess, you're so beautiful.
Thank you. I'm glad you came to my house today.
The pleasure is mine.
You know, say madam don't land with another person.
Before? No be inside, then they do lovey.
Now, wow. Another Yahoo boy don't land.
She get money now.
But wait, this our madam self, they know they advise him. He don't get person where they advise him.
The advice was even love.
Imagine say that one we come out nearly chop her up to 20 million naira. No, only God, nice save him. He still they won't fall inside this same pit again. You don't know say he won't use her hand. Just open office, give this Yahoo boys.
She get money now.
Which kind of life is this one? But wait, may I ask you a question? Where this our madam they go they pick all these boys?
Now me and Dan follow they go the place. Why they ask me?
If he be now, sometimes don't be you escort and go enter motor.
I'm taking a closer look at him. He doesn't look responsible.
Yes.
And my aunt is not even ready to listen to me.
You don't know, say, this advice what they give her. Now advice will be say, you supposed to pay money, they receive her, but will they knock him for free? And she not still won't hear him.
We need to plan. I don't like him. I want him out of my auntie's life.
Plan.
Is it possible? Are you serious about what you just said now?
I won't tell him before he come out. So when he come back, I go tell him.
Anyway, I'm not so shocked. But please don't tell my auntie yet. I said you should not tell her yet.
I don't understand. Which one you don't tell her yet?
Shut down. Shut down. RX 350, shut down. Madam, you're welcome. Congratulations, you don't buy new car. I'm happy for you. Shut down. New whip, new whip, new whip, new whip. My guy, Afana. What is this? Madam, buy new car.
What's going on? You bought?
Ha. Hey, wait. Okay, so you did say, as madam buy new car now, it's supposed to be, he say, now you buy him for. Ah, my brother, let me help you. You are just a driver. Ordinary driver. You're not supposed to reason all this kind of thing. What if they reason now? This starch clothes where they don't give you, make you wear. Look like all this
Excuse
stuff
me,
I'm
Adam.
Huh?
Please excuse me.
You never see.
What's going on?
Madam, don't buy new car. Shut down. That's my boyfriend now. You don't know? See, an RS 350, shut down, shut down. And they tell you, boys, they cash out. See, even flower day on top, the whole thing, you go see, say, this one a dash, the one dash person.
Don't you?
You don't blind the guy.
Don't you? Now to go further. Okay, now step down. Okay. All right. Go on.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go. This way. Gently. Gently.
Yes.
Hey, where are you taking me to?
To RX 350.
My goodness, my eyes are completely
Beautiful.
closed.
Open your eyes. Ta-da! It's all yours. Take.
My goodness, this is for me?
Look around.
Are you kidding me? Wow! Hey baby, thank you so much. Wow, look at how beautiful it is.
RX 350.
Thank you so much. Woo! I love the car. Thank you so much.
Come, baby.
I love you.
Let's go inside.
I'm happy for you both, ma. I'm happy for you. Congratulations.
No joke.
You go kill yourself, oh. You go kill yourself.
Everybody they happy, no only you they vex.
I don't know why they go carry starch clothes give ordinary driver. Normally, no go go back they for so give you. You go look like driver. Yes, now shut down. Hi. Shut down. Shut down. Boys, they cash out. Shut down. RX 350. Ha! If see, sometimes I dey vex for myself. Say I dey come start for this gate, they push gates, go up, go down, go front, go center. I don't grow amusement park finish. I suppose enter gym now, go begin get 6 packs so that one woman go just catch me somewhere now. Tell me, hello baby.
Catch you where? Take you.
Take Range Rover.
Take waiting.
Range Rover.
You know they even talk of keke. See your belly. See. See, you know, see as the boy he dey straight. Stand gidigba like man. You dey here, they follow me drag up. Eh? Hi. This boy now don't get car like that.
You don't know. You don't know. But see, me, I don't know. You don't ever ask yourself, when I go dash man car like this?
Who go dash man car?
You.
Na better man now they dash car. No be your type. Eh? See Belen now. They look am, bend down. You like him? They proud. But as you see the boy as he fine, they in chest safe, they belly flat go inside. You now if you stand, your belly go just shoot out. Wait till they won't carry and do. Eh? Don't worry. When you ready, because even this your belly safe, even if you gym, I'm not sure say it will come down.
I remember say Dangote get belle.
Who be Dangote?
All the rich people get belle.
At least they find who they buy am can.
I can't believe it. What you told me, I was even searching for it. I'm telling you.
You've confirmed that.
I'm
I said that earlier.
Well.
Madam.
Yes.
You get wetin I want tell you.
No, whatever thing you have to tell me has to wait. Okay, you can see I'm in the middle of conversation here with him.
Madam,
So chill.
Madam, the thing they very, very important though. Now waiting make me come now, even though say this bros sit down for here.
Alright, what is it?
And something is burning.
Eh?
Something is burning.
They born?
Yes.
Hey, and they come, madam.
Take.
Thank you.
I hope you like it.
What did they born?
Eh? What is wrong with you?
Eh?
I thought I told you not to tie it.
Now me they shout for. No, they tell me, but they pepper me. Make I just tell them. Don't tell her to the wait.
And you think she'll believe you?
Why she no go believe me?
She will never believe you. Else with proof.
By the time I tell her first, make it be say she no believe me.
Don't spoil this thing. Don't spoil it. I have a plan.
You say waiting?
I have a plan.
Now so plan. You waiting be the plan. Tell me the plan now, or I go tell madam. Nah.
And what's going on here?
You know,
something
burning. I told her something was burning, so.
I thought you said something was spawning, but I'm not perceiving anything.
Yes,
madam, nothing they born. No. She just used to carry me, make her for no talk with her. I won't tell you.
Now what is it?
Madam, now that's your boyfriend. That boy no be better person. The thing be say, if you go just comot love for the matter, just listen to the thing what I won't tell you. You go see say wetin I dey talk.
Hey! Enough. Yes, ma'am. I've had enough. Now who the hell do you think you are to tell me who and who not to date? I'm asking you. Have you lost it? Have you lost your mind? Are you insane? Now what is it? You are standing telling me about my boyfriend. Can you imagine such gods? Now if you are tired of working in this place, well, I can see that your days are numbered. I can see you are tired already. Now if you're tired, you get the hell out of my house. My sister will get me some other person.
I never tired.
My question is, are you tired?
No, ma, beg, I never tired.
Oh, really? Then keep quiet. This will be the last warning. For the next time you repeat such nonsense, I will throw you out like a piece of trash. Am I understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Have I made myself clear? Are we on the same page? Rubbish.
You see your life. You see your life.
Small shit.
All right, so Eve, I want you to prepare fruit juice for me. Now give me watermelon without the seeds, scrape the seeds out, then banana, cucumber, little apple. Then I want you to pour lime. Are you concentrating?
My queen, you are such an amazing person.
Wow.
So wonderful. I've never seen anyone like you. The best any man can ever ask for is to be with you for the rest of his life. Please marry me.
Oh, yeah. What? Yes, I will. I will. This is superb. This is nice. Get up. Get up, baby. Hi. Hi, Eve. Ella. Baby. Dominique, are you there? I just got engaged.
Congrats.
Thank you very much. Ella. I love you. I love you.
You know, Ila, it's just like my baby.
I love you so much.
I love you.
Thank you.
Because me miss time you know sharp sharp. I see your baby now. Hey, Mokuna help me, oh. Mokuna help me, oh. Now let me help me. You won't help me.
She tried to seduce me, don't mind her.
What is this? She tried to seduce you.
Yes.
By tying her own hands.
Yes, it's a frame up.
Do you think I'm a fool?
Believe me, I swear. Why are you lying against me?
Madam, God no dey sleep. Now rape. This man won't rape me before. Now they come like this, so rape.
No.
Are you alright? What is wrong with you?
You now God then go push you.
Why don't believe her?
Now I want you to leave my house at once. Get out! I hope the devil kills you on your way home.
Hey.
Get out!
Thank God.
Animal!
Madam, now God bring you now. Now rape this man for rape me now for you.
Oh yeah, shush. Now how did you get into my bed?
Madam, you know say, since that time, why they try to tell you this thing when you no wan hear? It don't take when this prostate they disturb me, oh. It don't take. Ogana, waiting now. Eh?
Nothing.
Eh?
Nothing.
What's it be nothing?
Look at how you jacked up as if you're not a kid now. Even kids come, they love things like this and they call for more. See, let me tell you, I will make you happy. You're going to enjoy me.
You go make who happy?
I mean it.
Eh?
I swear I will.
I tell you at the verse, as you see me, I tell you say at the verse.
Calm down now. Calm
Shame
down.
no they catch you. You no get shame. No be you and my madam won't marry. Now you they pursue me up and I don't tell you say I no want. I no want.
Forget that old woman now. Can't you see she's old? Eh? Look, you're young, fresh, and even intact.
Hey!
Wait, can't you see the difference with your eyes? And you want me to be pursuing old woman? Listen, I'm here for you. Two of us can even live our life separate at our expenses, don't you know?
You and who?
Me and you.
They live which life?
Together now.
Uncle, brother, I know they follow you do what you they find. I know they follow you. You see as I did like this, now person will go marry me. As I dey do this my work until they come before I go follow and do this thing where you dey talk. Yeah?
Then what am I doing here, Kwan? I will marry you now.
You go marry who?
I'm valuable.
Do your tongue like this. Make I see what you put for your tongue, the talk.
Oh, stop this. Be
you
serious.
think I no get sense? You think I be madam?
I'm serious.
No, I get sense. My sense still full.
But
you nothing do am. I no be madam.
I don't love her. I'm just here for her money.
Hey!
See, look, stop this thing you're doing. Okay, you want me to tell you the truth now? It's you that I love. You have everything that I ever desired.
I beg you, go sit down. You love who?
See, forget
I go, if I shout now, Adam dey forget, he go come now.
Don't shout yet.
Where they go?
Don't shout yet. How do you expect me to end up with? See, I don't love her. That's
Hey!
the truth.
You sure say this plan go work? Eh? The thing be say me, I no want wetin I go do now. Madam go come sack me. Eh? But that boy, he too dey worry me.
I am 100% sure. It will work.
Hey. You sure? Okay now. Okay.
You don't have to be scared or anything. I'm very sure.
No problem now, if you're sure.
Don't worry, you just have to go before they will come back. Because they'll be back very soon.
Okay. Bros. I don't agree make you for do the thing. But we go do sharp so that before madam will come back, we don't finish.
That is my baby. Now you know what you're doing.
Yes.
Wow.
But I don't want that normal type of work they do. Maybe say you go just lie down on top bed, the man go lie down on top of you. Get the type I they like.
Baby, how do you want it? However you want it, tell me. I'm going to do it very well. I will even give you something. Yes.
I like that type where they go use rope like this. You go tie my hand, scatter my leg, tie am. That type. That type I dey like.
That's BDSM. Who taught you that?
Bros, I bad though, not because I wear uniform.
What are you
bad? Well.
But they had to make, how do we get rope?
I carry rope come so that if you go grip, go down. See the rope.
Hey, are you serious?
Yes.
Baby, you're serious?
Jump. Bros, no rush me like.
Baby, I want to finish you.
Diana, don't scatter my leg.
Are you serious? Who taught you this?
Both those no those stick now we go there for bed, so they go just tie my neck for
Let's
there.
manage the one we have now. Let's manage this one. Hold on.
Wait, you know Sabi tie and go tie the two together.
I will not kill you now. Let me just...
Bros, I mean they even teach you this thing.
Baby, you're not good now. You want me to... let me just...
Sorry, you know they do and like that. Wait, make I show you.
Hi, baby, be fast. Where am I going to tie?
Before they come back. See. What's happened be that?
I tried telling you, but you wouldn't listen. So we had to plan this. So you see the evidence.
Now, two of you, get out of my sight.
Okay.
Contain me.
Did I tell you? I told you that the plans will work out just as we planned. And now, say it. Yes. If you had insisted to tell my auntie, she wouldn't have believed you. You see? And now, everything is working out.
Fine.
I make Madam rest one. Make she rest. You know, say, all this way she just do like this, she will just fall into wrong hand where she no go come out. Let she come and rest.
That one when they talk, make it rest. Now, not be certain they do. You know all these people will go for abroad. That's what then they do. You go see find another person.
I'm so happy that gold digger finally left my auntie alone. Though I feel for her.
I'm not going to close a wide open now, another person will land.
Nobody's coming.
Now here we go there, another person will land.
That's what they do.
So we're going to sing love song.
That's so.
I'm in love with you. You are in love with me. That's what the mama they sing now. I'm in love.
Thank God,
with you.
Shas. Say this one now. You don't settle.
Sis, what's all this now? I was told you haven't been out for days or eaten anything reasonable.
The question is it a crime to find love or to fall in love?
No, of course.
Now why are all men in this country the same? Why are they the same, I'm asking? The liar lord and the cheater lord. What is all this?
I know how it feels, sis. You just need to take it easy on yourself, okay? But trust me, all men are not the same. They still have good ones among them.
No, maybe I should just go back to Canada.
It hasn't gotten to that.
It has.
Don't worry, I'll come see you as soon as I'm back from sorting all the products we ordered.
Good day, ma'am. A million apologies for not coming to see you all this while. Ella wouldn't let me in. So, now that she's not around, I decided to come see you. I'm really sorry about everything you're going through, ma'am.
Hey, Dominic, you better stay away from me. I don't intend going anywhere, so you just retire to your quarter.
I know. I also know you need someone to cheer you up.
I do not need anyone.
You do. That is why I'm here. You need someone close to you to cheer you up. I'm sorry for the intrusion, but I think you really need it. You're a good woman. You did not deserve this kind of thing. It's quite unfortunate that bad things happen to good people, but we still have to overcome it.
I love him. I love him with all my heart.
I know. But I also know you can come out of this. As a matter of fact, you need to go out. You need to get some air, go to nice places, shake it off. Yeah. And that's what you're going to do. Because I'll be going into the car to wait for you. And I want you to go upstairs and get dressed because I am taking you out. I'm sorry. Everything will be fine. I'm sorry. I'll be in the car waiting.
It hurts so bad when you give your all to love, but you're not getting it back. It feels so sad when you stretch your arms to love, but it seems so far away. In a world of hate, in a world of pain.
Hope you had a good time.
Dominic, I did. Thank you very much. Thank you for today.
Anytime. As long as you're happy, I am happy.
Thank you once again.
It's my pleasure.
I'll just retire to my room.
I've been meaning to tell you this. And right now, I do not care what the consequences are, but I'm willing to face them. I'm in love with you. I'm crazy about you.
I don't know what to say. Just give me a little time, to heal from this.
It's okay. It's okay. But you know what they say. Now when one door closes, another one opens. But the problem is we spend so much time looking at a closed door that we fail to notice the open one. But don't waste so much time staring at a closed door. And I'll be here. You can take all your time. I'll wait. I'll be right here.
Never see this kind of thing before.
No, I never hear una well. I never hear una say madam they do it with driver. Driver.
Dominic, your chaperepere. Madam and Dominic, they don't almost kiss. If not be say we make noise, two of them scatter. Ordinary driver. Madam village people, they don't finally finish her.
They wanted they do that guy, they shine like who they used up there. You know if you tell me say he never go village. And as I dey look myself now, na problem I dey like this. Na problem. Oh. Because if madam fit come down, me bring herself from up to bottom, meet the driver. Now me be next. So I don't enter problem. Madam go begin the eye me so. Begin the enter.
Who dash monkey like you, banana? You know they see all of them. All the boys wey madam self, you know they see them. You look yourself from head to toe. Waiting madam won't fight for where you dey.
See, ma tell you, if madam fit go for driver, what did the driver? No, who follow driver? No, fit follow the man.
With this your belle, if madam won't hug you before she go reach, belle go block am.
Let's stop it already.
Sit
Focus.
down. May leave am. Make they find wetin no find now.
I don't enter trouble with this.
Ella.
Ella.
You know, it's very funny how you've been in front of me showing your green light and I did not even notice.
Well, I guess I'm not your kind of guy. Or maybe the light wasn't bright enough.
Oh, come on. Not that. Just that I was just trying to be careful not to miss pleasure with work. I'm just trying to be professional here. But you, why didn't you say something?
Well, I didn't have the courage to.
Ah.
You know? Well,
Wow.
the most important thing is that you're here now. And that is all that matters.
I'm so sorry. It took me so much time to realize.
Well, I believe the time is perfect.
I'm all yours.
And I'm right here too. I'm not going anywhere.
I know. I will not let you.
You don't want to drink?
This madam relationship with this driver, you don't dey strong. Eh? You don't even, they don't dey more close than what we expect. I bet. What we go do now?
Honestly. And I can't even think of any plan again because of my upcoming exam.
Wetin we go come do now? before Madam Village people run am dry.
I tell you.
Eh?
I'll try and think of something to do.
Well, you need to try fast too. You go just try to do something now, no? Because if you know say now you be our master planner here. If you don't plan anything now, Madam don't enter wahala so.
That's enter wahala be. You don't dey inside the wahala already.
Oh, Dominic. Ah. Thank you.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
I'll be traveling next month.
Why?
Well, I need to go see my mom and tell her about us. I'm sure they'll be glad.
Gosh. Oh.
What? Did I say something wrong?
No. I was busy playing love and I forgot to pay you for 2 months. Too bad.
It's nothing.
You know you can always take my ATM card. The other one.
No, that won't be necessary.
It is necessary. Take.
No.
Take any amount.
Look, if I need anything...
Oh, just shut up. Take the Access Bank. The password is 2034.
I said it wasn't necessary.
It is necessary.
Come on, if I need anything, I'll tell
Oh,
you.
just shh. Take any amount.
I'll be fine. But thank you.
I love you.
I love you more.
In a world of hate, in a world of pain, I can still hear love whisper. So don't give up on love. Don't give up on love. So don't give up on love. Don't give up on love. Just like a mirage, it looks so real, but stepping close, it's all gone. Every night, all I dream is just a spark of love, so I can feel good. But in a world of hate, in a world of pain, I can still hear love whisper. So don't give up on love. Ooh, don't give up on love, yeah. Don't give up on love. Love come calling with your answer, baby. So don't give up on love. Sweet, sweet love. Oh, don't give up on love. Love is sweet.
I miss you, baby.
So don't give
I'll miss you too. But I'll be back before you know it. Don't miss me too much.
Of course, I'll miss you.
Come here. Bye.
Bye, baby.
I'll call you 4 times a day.
Make sure you call.
Can you get the gate?
Hello.
Hi.
You must be Dominic Johnson.
Well, I am. How may I help you?
Now, who the hell are you? How dare you come into my compound asking after someone without proper introduction? Are you all right?
Pardon our manners, ma. I'm Sergeant John, and this is my partner, Philip.
Okay.
All right. So how may I help you?
You must be Dominic, right?
Yeah, I said that before. Yes, I am. So how may I help you?
Please step back.
Can you please step back?
No, I have to know why.
Step back, please.
Okay, we have an information that you're carrying something that does not belong to you.
What's he talking about?
Now what is all this? What is this? Now, Officer Holdert, I don't understand. What is going on here?
You understand very soon, ma. I believe this is your luggage.
Well, yes, it is.
Can we search it?
Sure. Even though I know you're supposed to present a warrant, but I'm innocent, so go ahead.
Of course. What is going on?
This is so embarrassing.
What is all this?
Just be patient, ma. Oh, let me see. Okay.
What?
That one, our wire result. Our wire result. Benit.
What is this?
Who's Miss Emilia?
I am Mrs. Amelia.
Okay. I believe this document belongs to you. This is a document of your property.
My goodness.
What? But how did they get it? I don't understand. Babes, you have to believe me. I know nothing about this. What are you saying? Look, this is
Young man, you're under arrest.
This is clearly a setup. Someone's trying to shut me up. What are you saying? No. You can't arrest me.
Keep quiet.
What are you? Babe, listen. You need to believe me. I know nothing about this. Baby, I know nothing about this. Hey, babe. Babes, I swear I'm innocent. Keep quiet.
Document. They for don't say Madam Car. Hi! They for don't say your house.
It hurts so bad when you give your all to life, but you're not getting it back.
Oh, sis.
Oh,
I'm so sorry that you have to go through all this. It's too much. It's really too much.
I felt he was the right one for me. And I still feel he is.
Sis, just give it time.
No. I'm done. I'm done giving time to this bullshit called love. Believe me. I'm done. The thing is this. The more I try to hate him, I find myself falling deeply for him.
Sis, you're just in love.
Yes, because this one is different. Everything reminds me of him. Well, I have gotten my ticket. I'm going back this coming Saturday.
What? Without informing us?
Well, I just did. And nothing can stop me.
Sis.
Please. Just shut the door behind you. I need to rest.
What did she say?
I can't believe all this is happening. Emilia has booked her tickets and she's leaving.
Am I feeling so guilty? What if he's a good person? Or a bad person that has never been caught? How do I get in touch with him?
Dear Ma, I am so sorry you are really going through this. I have tried several times to come see you, but Ella wouldn't let me in. Just know that I am here for you whenever you feel overwhelmed. Hope you feel better. My queen, how are you doing today? I may not be your first date, your first love, your first kiss, but I want to be your last everything. If I could give you one thing in life, it is the ability to see yourself through my eyes. Only then would you realize how special you are to me, and that setting my eye on you was the best thing that ever happened to me. Looking forward to our first day. Your love has struck me. Your mystery lover.
You no go tell him.
I feel so guilty and terrible now. Eh? We shouldn't have done it.
And this one wey madam say one begin dey pack her load, dey go back abroad. That be my problem. If she can't go now, which work I go come dey do? Now we be say work dey very very hard to find for this town.
Now this thing wey you talk, na be the same thing wey dey worry me. Because if this work go now, you no get any other place where I get hope for. Eh? Ha.
I'm regretting my actions.
Yeah, go tell him now. Eh, go tell him.
I have a plan.
Every time, you dey get plan. Plan where they cause problem. Eh?
We'll tell her, but for now, let's just carry out this.
Carry out waiting. Waiting we won't carry out.
Me, I know they follow for any plan wey go make me lose my job again. I know they follow.
Now just go tell him now. You say carry out. Waiting we won't carry out again. See the one we will carry out. See how it be. Eh?
Plantain.
Plan.
Hello? Yeah, this is Ella. I'm so sorry for everything that happened. I'm so sorry. Please, I can't explain everything here. Just check your message. I sent you text. Okay, please.
Ella! Ella, how could you? This is pure wickedness. Why?
I'm so disappointed in you, Ella. Eh?
I'm so sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Auntie. I was just trying to help.
You were trying to help by ruining some other person's reputation, allowing me send an innocent person to jail. Come on.
He's not in jail. The police. Everything was made up.
Jesus. Ella, how did we get here? Ah, no. Please, Ella, don't lie to me. Who helped you to achieve this? Who?
Adam and Eve.
Adam and Eve?
Adam and Eve? Oh my goodness. I can't believe I employed investigators for my sister.
We're just trying to help. Nothing more.
All right. Enough. Come on. No need for all this. I mean, it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't change anything.
It does. Please believe me. Dominic loves you. He loves you so much. Please.
Ella, please. Just go. Enough.
Please.
Sis, please, it's not your fault. It's okay. Just go. I'll be leaving in 2 days' time after all.
Sis.
I'm sorry.
Gosh. Oh, please. Sis, just let her be. Just don't. Goodness God.
So, he's not yet here.
He never come now. And madam go soon travel. I don't know this kind of thing now. This one will be seen a better place. Nah,
Calm down. He will come if he truly loves my auntie. He will come.
You see gates now, look they look. This kind of thing, sef.
Adam!
Auntie,
Come on, put my things in the car.
Auntie, I'm so sorry, please. I know I'm the one that caused this decision. I'm the reason for your sudden decision. I'm so sorry.
Ella, please. Can you quit blaming yourself, please? Whatever thing you girls did, I know you did it. You know, out of love, you were trying to protect me. I understand. All right, my decision, I have decided to leave. After all, what do I have left?
You have us. Dominic, I'm very sure he loves you. And you love him too. Yes.
Oh, please, can you stop that? If Dominic loves me, where is he? He's nowhere to be found. Please. Sis, please. Now they forget.
Auntie, I think he's here.
Dominic, don't come. Dominic, don't come.
Babes, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. There's no way I'm letting you go.
What if I slap you?
Love slap, love slap.
I love you so much.
I love you
I'm
much.
crazy about you. There's no way I'm letting you go. Look, if I must live one more day on this earth, it has to be with you by my side. And so I have decided. I know I do not have material things to give you, but I'm also convinced that my love is enough. And so please, I want you to do me the honor of being my wife.
Of course I'll be your wife, silly.
You will.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Look,
Yes.
I'm going to love you
Yes.
forever.
Yes.
All right? I'm not going anywhere.
Of course I won't let you go out. I would never. Come, let's go in, sweetheart. Come.
Oh, correct.
We not dey carry bag
Where they go, where
again.
they go?
Hey,
Oga, Oga.
Oga wey dey drive car. You don turn Oga.
I don't tell you.
From driver to Oga
My
driver.
man, my man.
Carry bag, make you come inside.
Come carry one, and make I carry one.
Carry
See,
that.
make I tell you something, eh? Na just money remain, I go just give you your own ring. My own na like that.
God forbid. Bring am come inside.
Yeah. Make I bring you go inside. You na conductor now, you dey control me.
Fast.
You dey control me.
Everything. Today we go chop chicken tire.
It hurts so bad when you give your all to love, but you're not getting it back. It feels so sad when you stretch your arms to love, but it seems so far away. In a world of hate, in a world of pain, I can still hear love whisper. So don't give up on love.